going to show you how to make Kreative Kiwi's 4th of July coasters, and the one I've chosen to show to you today is the eagle. And for that I'm going to be using my 5x7 hoop, wash away stabiliser, 2 different threads, matching bobbin, my scissors, batting and fabrics cut to size, and some masking or painter's tape. We're going to start off by hooping 2 layers of wash away stabiliser. And I'm just going to insert some pins on the top edge of my hoop here, just to stop it from pulling through. It keeps it nice and taut. You're now going to pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 1, and that's going to give you your placement outline. Next you're going to place your batting down over the outline. I'm using poly fleece, and then your main fabric on top of that, and just put a little bit of tape just to hold it in place so that it doesn't move during stitching. You're now going to pop that into your machine and stitch round number 2, and that's going to secure the fabric and batting in the hoop. We're now going to add the centre fabric. Now if you've got a dark colour underneath like I have, you can remove the centre here, and that's exactly what I'm going to do because the red is going to show through my white fabric. So I've just taken my stitch unpicker and I just create a little slit so I can get my scissors in and then just trim around. I'm now going to place my centre fabric over the top of the area that I've just cut out and tape it down so it can't move during stitching. Then you're going to pop that into your machine and stitch round number 3, and that's going to secure your middle fabric. Next is round number 4, and that's going to start stitching the design in the middle here. Now the eagle one is split into 2 colours, so I'm going to do the blue first, and that's going to do the top left hand corner here, and then I will change threads to the red and stitch the bottom right hand side. So here we go with round number 4. Next I'm stitching round number 5, and that's going to do the detailed stitching in this section. You're now going to trim up the excess fabric from the centre. And you're now going to attach your backing fabric. So turn your hoop over and place your fabric over the outline and tape it in place. You're now going to pop that back into your machine and stitch round number 6, and that's going to secure your backing fabric. You're now going to trim up your excess fabric both front and back, so I like to start off with the back because it's easy to forget about it. You can now pop your hoop back into your machine and stitch round number 7, and that's going to do the zigzagging around the raw edge of the centre. I've now got a matching bobbin to my top thread in my machine because everything's going to be seen from the back. Next you're going to stitch round number 8, and that's going to do the quilting around the border here. Next is round number 9, and that's going to do the satin stitching around the inner edge there. And now for the final round, round number 10. We're now going to free this from the hoop, so I turn mine over and cut around the edge. And we're now going to remove all the excess stabiliser with some warm water and a cotton bud. And that's our coaster finished. I hope you enjoyed this stitch along. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of new videos as they're published. Do pop along to Kreative Kiwi's Facebook group. There's always lots of ideas and inspiration there for everybody. And thank you very much for joining me.